Hey guys, before I start this video, I must tell you that you will get this EA 100% free if you text me at my Telegram handle, and my Telegram link will be given at the description box of this video. Now, today we'll talk about EA Prime. So this is 125 US dollars price, and I think it is one of the most underrated EA in the market. Why I am saying this, just watch this video, you'll understand. So they have two different mode. One is called RVM and VSL, virtual SL. And RVM means a recovery module, I think. Okay, now let's see. So they have posted here some backtest result, $10,000 and RVM preset. Let's see, and USD, Euro USD, 9% drawdown, and very good. See, this is RVM. And VSL, it is its profit is low and drawdown is also low, I think. Okay, now you will get here a detailed video about this EA. Now look here, you have to use this EA on 3 currency pairs and 2 time frames, H1 or H4. I would recommend H1. Minimum deposit 200, and so on and so on. And very important thing that I want you to understand, that to get best result, recommended ECN account. Guys, remember, if you don't have ECN account, don't download this EA, don't want this EA, please don't ask this EA, because later I will show you how if I increase the spread, the result will be very different. You will be in loss. So installation, at first set up news filter. So you have to add here, see, options, and then expert advisor, you have to add this this URL and allow web request for listed URL. And another thing, guys, if you have not used any EA till now, any cracked EA till now, you will get a video in my channel about the necessary steps of how to use any cracked EA. Okay, so there I talked about allow DLL and other functions. Now I will talk about this one. See, Euro USD RVM, and my investment was 10,000, drawdown was 12%, and spread was 0 because I was using IC Market ECN broker, and profit was 69%, which means yearly my profit was 38%. Now if I just see VSL, the profit is 60% and yearly profit is 30%, and drawdown is 9%. If I use RVM, $10,000 and the profit is 200%, very high profitable, and the drawdown was very big, 54% drawdown. And I think this happened because of the corona pandemic. And now when I was backtesting, this was the from 2022, 18 February 2021, the profit was 65% profit, drawdown was 12%, very good drawdown, and spread was 2 pips. And now if I just change it to 70 spread, a very big spread, then you can see that most of the trades are in loss, and I lost so much dollar here. Okay, drawdown was 64%, and a lot of money had gone because of the high spread. If you are using high spread brokers, then don't use this EA. Your account will be blown 100% for sure. Okay, now VSL mode I tried with spread 22, and see, this is the result, which causes 30% drawdown, and profit is 36%. Yearly profit is 18% because I am using just 2 years. Now USD JPY, similarly they have 47% profit yearly, 23% of each, and if I use VSL, then profit will be 17% and yearly profit will be 8%, and drawdown will also very low. Now see, if you just use just RVM, 38%, 100%, 138%, and then 23%, that means 150% approximately. Now if you just use VSL, then 30% yearly, then 18%, 48%, and then 8%, 2008, yes, so yearly growth will be around 50%. So now we just check they have a monitoring signal, they have their own signals. Now let's check this EF prime, his signal. Now see, he was making money with this one, 7%, 17%, 7%. On an average, if you just assume that you need 5%, and it's a good EA, it can make money actually, and the drawdown is very low. Please try to use IC markets. Okay, see, but one thing that I am very disappointed watching this, he is using demo account. He is not investing his real money in this EA, rather he is using demo account, and it makes me little bit discomfort about this EA prime. But as far as I know about this EA, you can use it on low spread brokers. That's it, guys. Okay, if you need this one, you can text me at my Telegram channel. Okay, and you will get preset file and all kinds of things, the necessary tutorials how to install this EA, any EA actually. So that's it for today. Let's hope you are making money with my videos. Thank you. Goodbye.